Hey beautiful people, it's your girl KaRita, and today I have something a little bit different for y'all. So today we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day weight loss edition. Yes, y'all heard that right. Your girl is on a weight loss journey, trying to get it together. Ooh, it's a whole struggle, but we gonna make it through. So to begin with, I know y'all saw that I got my nails done. Yes, honey, fall ready. I finally did it. So y'all, we're gonna start off with breakfast. So all I'm having for breakfast is some oatmeal, a boiled egg, a slice of bacon, and a sliced apple. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna start off with this bacon and put it in the oven. So let's go, y'all. Let's get to cooking. All right, y'all. So as you can see, this bacon is done. I've taken it out the oven. My eggs are boiling, and I'm about to put 1 cup of oatmeal in this other pot once my water starts boiling. So guys, I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to go ahead and kind of like do like a speed through the rest of the breakfast, and then I'll come back to y'all a little later. So yeah, let's get it started. Alright guys, so here is the finished breakfast. Yes, it looks so delicious. And as you can see, I'm drinking it with a good old bottle of water. Yes, get y'all H2O in, people. It's healthy, it's great. Get it in. So we're going to move right on along to lunch. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is everything that I'm making for lunch. I'm going to have a good old shrimp salad. So to begin with, I'm just going to chop up this garlic. Then I'm going to do my shrimp and put it all together. So y'all go ahead and watch and see. Guys, and here's how my shrimp salad turned out. And yes, y'all, it was very, very delicious. And I just had another bottle of water to go with it. All right, so we're going to do a little intermission, y'all. My husband was home, and he was like, baby, do something with these bananas, and please make me some banana bread. So, y'all, guess what? That's exactly what I did. I found this little recipe off Pinterest, as you can see, and here are all the things that I had to use for it. So let's get on into me showing y'all how I made this banana bread for hubby. Oh, and don't worry, I didn't eat a piece, even though I was very tempted, but your girl got to stick to her diet. Okay, guys, so here is the bread after it was in the oven. Yes, it looks so beautiful. And y'all, this darn banana bread smelled so delicious. Like, I was so mad I could not taste it. So I went ahead and put it in my cake plate. And of course, hubby could not wait. So he was like, please cut me a slice. And of course, I had to cut my baby a slice. So just like most people, no one likes the butt of any bread. So I went ahead and cut that and put it to the side. And I just, cut him a nice slice. And he said it was very warm. Of course it was. It just came out the oven. But it was very warm and moist. He loved it. So, yeah, he gonna have all this to eat for himself. Well, not all of it. I did cut like a big hunk for my mom and my sister. So he has, a good little piece for himself. But, yeah, he said, according to hubby, he said it was delicious, y'all. So we're jumping right into dinner, y'all. This is after I went and worked out. I then came home and showered. So for dinner, we had some stuffed bell peppers. It was so delicious, y'all. And basically all I did was found a little recipe off Pinterest, a healthier recipe. And I know y'all probably thinking like, girl, why are you using ground beef? Well, I had some ground turkey, but apparently it had went bad. So your girl had to, improvise and use her ground beef. And don't worry, after I cooked it, yes, I did strain it really good. And I kind of rinsed it off a little bit. I know y'all probably like, ugh, girl, that's nasty. I don't usually rinse off my ground beef, but for this purpose, I was trying to be healthy and it had a lot of grease. So I just went ahead and rinsed a little. But let me go ahead and let y'all get into the video. So we finally made it to the end of the video. So yes, guys, if y'all have any other recipes or anything that I can try, please leave it in the comments and just talk to your girl. Yes. And if you haven't subscribed, what y'all waiting on? Like, come on, join the family. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. So thank y'all for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your notification bell. All right, guys. I'll see y'all on the next one.